Hi everyone, it's Evan Brown. I'm a technology and intellectual property attorney in Chicago. If you are a social media influencer or you are a brand looking to engage a social media influencer, here are 5 key things that you should think about in the contract between the influencer and the brand. 1, the influencer's obligations. 2, payment terms. 3, content ownership. 4, rights of publicity. And 5, compliance with endorsement guidelines. Now I know it sounds a little complex, so let's unpack each one of these. First, let's talk about the influencer's obligations. The main thing that a brand wants from an influencer is for the influencer to say certain things about the brand's products in a certain way and at certain times. What kind of content? Will it be photos, video? Which platforms? What hashtags should be included? When and how many posts should there be? Well, the agreement should spell all of these things out. The next thing is payment. Influencers are compensated in a number of ways. In addition to getting free products, they may be paid a flat fee up front or from time to time. And it's also common to see a revenue share agreement. That is, the influencer will get a certain percentage based on sales of the products she is endorsing. These may be tracked by a promo code. The contract should identify all of these amounts and percentages and the timing for payment. So what about content ownership? The main work of an influencer is to generate content. This could be pictures posted to Instagram, tweets, or it could be video posted to her story. All that content is covered by copyright. Unless the contract says otherwise, the influencer will own the copyright. And if the brand wants to do more with that content outside of social media, that needs to be addressed in the contract specifically. And then there are rights of publicity. Individuals have the right to determine how their image and name are used for commercial purposes. If the brand is going to feature the influencer on the brand's own platform, then there needs to be language that specifies the limits on that use. That's key to an influencer who wants to control her personal brand and reputation. And finally, compliance with federal endorsement guidelines. The federal government wants to make sure that the consuming public gets clear information about products. So there are guidelines that influencers have to follow. You have to know what these guidelines are to stay out of trouble. And the contract should address what happens if these guidelines aren't followed. So those are some key things that should be in an influencer agreement. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it and hope you'll subscribe to this channel. Go over and read my blog at internetcases.com. Thanks. I'll talk to you next time.